Speed run episode 50. Oh my goodness. On the rapid speed run, we had 50 of these things, man. Shout out to all of you guys. Here's the KYLO Strike course. If you haven't got it already, you can get it right here. This is the YouTube community only deal. So you get it for $49 here, basically $50. Episode 50. Guys, click the link in the description. And of course, you can get the course. This is everything that we play in the speed runs. We're getting right here in real time. We're going to start with 10-minute here. And we're doing our regular stuff. We're actually going to be on the main scene here, which is messed up somehow. How is this possible? I don't know. I'm actually going to do some edits here in real time, boys. I think I'm just going to drag that over. Hey, there we go. Okay, that worked out. I don't know what happened. Okay, so we got B3. We're going to go knight of 6, and then we're going to go G6. Let's see if he takes. So we'll go bishop G7. He's moving quickly. F4, okay. Now we have a bunch of moves. I'm just gonna go C5. We play King's Indian here. Is what he ended up playing. So now he's just going with his bird. I'm gonna go knight G4. I'm gonna annoy him a little bit because knight E3 is annoying, and then King takes G7. So we're gonna do this. So we're gonna get rid of his dark square bishop. He's probably gonna play maybe Queen D2 afterwards. Queen D2, very playable. Maybe Queen B6 and then C4 or something, or knight D4 or E5. Let's go E5. H3, I'll go back here. No, I'm going to go back around this way. I thought something was wrong with it, but I'm fine going this way. Takes, pawn takes. Now we open up the game a little bit. E4 and Queen D4 is incoming unless he develops the knight. Okay, he develops the knight. E4, not really a move I want to play. I could go H6. Let's go H6. Stop some stuff. I want bishop E6 next. Yeah, let's go bishop E6. So now I want my pieces developed first. Before we do anything else, always get the pieces out the back rank and develop. So let's see what happens. Queen D7, rook E8, rook AD, pushing E4. All these things come to mind and quickly too. Okay, so he's attacking both pawns, it looks like. Kind of an annoying move, actually. Maybe Queen C7? Queen D6, Knight D5 could work. Queen D6, Knight B5, that's why it's annoying. I'm going to go Queen D5 after that. Knight D4, Rook E8, Queen E7, Queen B6, I have Rook C8. I'll have Knight D7, simple. Flip in both. 97. Definitely an annoying move, but we figured out the right move. Just defend everything. Pieces look a little clumsy for him. Okay, so what is he attacking? This? Do we care? Not really. I could go here and here. I want F5 next. He did. He took it. I didn't think he was going to do that, to be honest. This is really weak. So F5, F4 as an idea. Take, take. Rook takes Queen D6. I think we win in there. And then G5. Could take back, but okay. F4, take, take. Rook takes. I can't go Queen D6 anymore. I could take. I could go Bishop D5 too. I kind of like this because I get to kick him back, and my pawns are incredibly strong here. Then I'll bring this rook over next. So what he played was like a B3 system, Larson system, but then turned into a bird with, you know, F4 by transposition. Okay, it looks like he's trying to double. which makes total sense. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm just going to bring a rook into the game. Not much to think about here. Now we got some stuff to think about. Maybe I'll try h5, h4. Let's try it. h5, h4. If he goes h4 himself, then we have knight f6 and go right into the square. So h4 is going to be annoying, which breaks this pawn up, and then we have f4. This is our whole idea. h4, take f4, you know, this type of stuff is going to really annoy him. And if he goes h4 himself, he makes a big hole in the position. Oh, I even see this. Knight f6, rook here, and knight here. And then takes, and like you have the mate on the back rank. Oof, boy. Heating up, boys and girls. Heating up. Heating up. It's going to take a few moves. But knight f6, rook h8. He could just go back, I guess. Oh, knight g4 anyway. No, that wouldn't work. Yeah, because he can get out the way. Where would this rook go? Like there. Yeah, he went back. I understand. So if I go h4, he goes g4. Should I just take it? Take, queen takes. Just go with the plan. Like, I don't really need to think much, guys. This is the plan. We wanted to go h4. Why are we thinking? g4, I think I should just take this. I'm not going to lie. And after rook takes... Oh, he took... I did not expect that. This got to be good for me, right? This has to be good for us. This has to be good. I don't see how it couldn't be. This has to be good. I know he has knight takes, but I don't believe in it. Yeah, knight g4 wins immediately. I was going to say rook takes, but he has queen takes. But yeah, knight g4 wins immediately. After takes, rook takes. Then we go like rook h8 after that. Knight takes, knight g4. Very smooth game. Very smooth game. I think we did quite well here. He's thinking because there's a lot to think about. He understands his position is not the easiest to even figure out. Queen takes c5 wins a pawn, but we have knight g4. Yeah, so knight g4 anyway, I think it's just better, right? You find a good move, look for a better one. I don't see a better, so we stick with the good. Should be winning. Takes. I have to take with the king there, huh? Should I go f4 first? Oh my goodness. F4 is GG. Look at F4. Wow. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. That's it, boys, right? That's it. That's it. So now I go knight d7. This is my idea. But wait a second. Wait a second. Guys, y'all ready for this? Are y'all ready for this? Are y'all ready for this? Chat, are you ready? Well, here we go.